Make a great choice today with the 2022 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, luggage rack, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.